Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. My name is Brooke. Today I'm just going to give you guys a real quick video because we are actually getting ready to butcher again really soon. And I want to show you guys two pieces of equipment that have made the difference in butchering birds, especially when we're butchering a large number of birds. So we have not only butchered our own birds, but we actually go to local places as well and will help people butcher theirs. So we've done 50, 75, 100 birds at a time. And we can actually bang this out in a couple to a few hours, depending on how many people are there. I also go and I'll come to your farm a lot of times if you're local to us, and me and Dad, and sometimes we'll bring a couple other people as well. We'll come to your farm, we'll bring our equipment, help you butcher your birds, and we'll teach you how to do it. So that's sort of the idea, is that's what we do. We go to local farm or local homesteads, especially if it's your first time butchering. We'll bring our equipment, okay? Obviously you'll have to have some stuff, but we bring our stuff and we actually will help you butcher your birds, and we'll teach you how to do it, okay? So in particular, I actually teach people how to gut their birds, okay? And Dad does the actual culling process, right? So I want to show you guys two pieces of equipment that have made the difference in the butchering processes and really make it so much more efficient. First up are culling cones. Now you guys can get these at a lot of places. I'll leave some tagged from Tractor Supply probably has these. That's probably where I got mine. It was so long ago I don't even remember. But I'll leave these tagged. I mean, I can see what brand they are right here, but I'll leave them tagged for you guys. Culling cones have made a huge difference in the butchering process. Now, whether you make your own or you actually buy some is totally up to you. There are ways to do it without culling cones, but honestly, this has made it life so much easier. It restrains the birds so that you can cull them. Now, the size that I have, which I don't remember, is big enough to do chickens and ducks and turkeys. It's probably big enough to do geese, although I haven't done geese yet. We may do some this year. It sort of depends. I know that it's big enough to do chickens, ducks, and turkeys. We have done turkeys, although we do have a heritage breed of turkey. They are smaller than like a bronze-breasted turkey. But yeah, these definitely make the difference. They restrain the bird and their head comes out the bottom, which makes for easy access. Whether you decide to slit the jugular or cut off their entire head for the culling process, it does really help make it a lot easier. This restrains them so that they're not kicking at you and clawing at you, especially if you have more feisty birds. So yes, highly recommend culling cones. Another thing is a chicken plucker. Now, a chicken plucker may not be a great investment for people who are only doing 20 birds a year, okay? But for people who are doing 100 birds a year, 50 birds a year, this may be a good investment for you. I've had mine since we first started. And I did get this from Tractor Supply, I remember. And I've had mine literally since our first time culling, because we did 50 birds our first time. Bad idea, by the way. Don't do 50 birds for your first time unless you're going to have someone out to help you. Do not do 50 birds your first time. That would be a horrible idea. But this works really well to help pluck the chickens. So plucking chickens normally takes, I would say, if you have someone who's efficient and has done it before, I would say that plucking a bird takes about 10 to 15 minutes per bird. And I'm talking about a chicken, not a turkey, not a duck. Those take longer and they are way harder. Turkeys aren't harder than chickens, but they are bigger. Ducks are harder than chickens. A chicken plucker definitely makes things easier. You can do 2 to 3 birds in here depending on the size, and it'll literally get them done in 30 seconds to a minute. And they will be pretty much clean. Normally there'll be some feathers around the legs and wings, but it takes about 2 minutes to finish them off. So much easier, and definitely makes larger processes more efficient. Okay, like I said, I've had mine, years. I've had this plucker for years and it still works. It still works. Now, do I need to maybe replace some of these fingers in here? Possibly, because they do look a little dry rotted, just a little bit. But this thing has been an absolute lifesaver when doing large numbers of birds, like 50, 75, or 100 at a time. And we have been able to do turkeys in here. I think we have to do it one at a time though. And again, we do have smaller turkeys. So one other thing I want to mention here, and this is an essential, like this is not you can maybe do it without this. No, you guys need to have these. This is a set of knives that I got from Academy. Got this at the same time actually as the chicken plucker, I remember. And this is the knife that we use for dispatching. We do a slit the jugular method. If you guys want me, I can go in more into our culling method at another video. And then this is the one that I use for gutting. These have been absolutely amazing. They have held up amazing. Again, I have literally done hundreds of birds with these knives. Hundreds, no joke. The number may even be all the way up into the 1,000 at this point. But this is definitely a great set of knives here. I have tried to buy cheap knives too, to like let other people use when we, you know, go to help them, but they always break. So these have lasted me a really, really, really long time, and they do come with a sharpener as well. If I can find these on Academy still, I will leave them linked for you guys, but this is definitely a must-have. You need to have some sort of set of knives. Chicken plucker and culling cones, great. Culling cones, I would say, are definitely more helpful than a plucker, especially if you're doing like a small number of birds, but plucker is extremely helpful when you're doing a large number of birds. I know there's still feathers in mine. We always, don't worry, we always clean these out before and after culling, okay? So I don't know why we've got feathers in here, but we do. So we will clean it out though before we do another round, just so I don't get comments about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up. If you guys have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. And if you're new, please hit that subscribe button down below. See you guys soon.